Hi children. In before class what we have learned? Parts of a plant. Do you remember what are the parts of the plant, children? Yes. The different parts of a plant are? Yes. Can you? Yes. They are nothing but stem, roots, leaves, flowers, fruits and also seeds. Can you see this picture? Yes. In this picture we can see the roots, stem, flowers, fruit. Inside the fruit we can see the seeds and leaf. Okay. Now I will show you one picture. Can you find out what is it? What can you see on this plate? Yes. What you can see? A plate of fruits. Isn't it, children? Yes. Do all fruits look same? In this picture all the fruits are looking same, children? No. All the fruits don't look same. Then what is the difference among them? Yes, see this picture. Here the color may be changed. Yes, the size are different and also shape also different. Yellow, red, green, orange. Yes or no? And their size also big, small. And also one thing we can find the difference among them. Next, can you find what is that? If we cut the fruit, once again see this picture. If we cut the fruit, what we can find the difference among them? Not only size, shape or color. And one more main important reason is there and main difference is there. Can you find out, children? Once think carefully. Yes, can anyone? It's nothing but, I will ask you the question, tell me. Do all the fruits have seeds, children? Yes, some have seeds. See here, banana. Banana have seeds? Yes. Cherry, grapes, papaya, orange, apple. Yes, different fruits have different types. Do all the fruits have same type of seeds? No. But now tell me, name some fruits that have only one seed. Can you find out among them the fruit which have only one seed? See here, if we cut the fruit, we can see inside the seeds. See, first one guava. Can you see the seeds? We have so many seeds in it. Apple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so many. And middle, what is that? Lychee. Do lychee have so many seeds? No, single seed. Mango have so many seeds? No, single seed. Watermelon? So many seeds. Yes. So here we can differentiate the fruits depending upon the seeds. Okay, children. Name some fruits that have only one seed. Can anyone? Yes. See this picture. This have only one seed. Yes or no? And I will show you another picture. Do they have so many seeds or one seed? Yes. How many seeds the picture have? This fruit have? So many seeds. So depending upon the fruits, depending upon the seeds, we are differentiating the fruits. Do all the fruits have same kind of seeds? No. How are the seeds different? Okay, let us see now. See, this is the mango. How many seeds do mango have? Single seed. Yes? Mango have single seed. Different plants have different types of fruits. Yes or no, children? The size may different, the shape may different and the taste of the fruit also different. Some plants do not have fruits at all. Yes or no? And all fruits have seeds. Each and every fruit have seeds. This is the cherry. Yes or no? How many seeds do cherry have? Yes, single. Yes or no? Only one seed. Usually seeds inside the fruit. Yes or no? Outside. Can we see the seeds outside? No. These are inside. See, it is the lychee. How many seeds this lychee have? One seed. So, some fruits have one seed like mango, lychee, and I will show you another one, avocado. Do you know the avocado? Yes. This also have single seed. Now I will show you 2 to 3 pictures of single seed. See carefully. We have seen cherry, lychee. This is the avocado. And now I will show you the pictures of the fruits which have so many seeds. Okay children, let us see. Yeah, what is this fruit? Can you name it? Okay. Grapes, pomegranate, grapes. What is this one? Strawberry. Yes, all these fruits have so many seeds. Can you see it? Yes, guava, lychee, orange, watermelon. So many pictures you can see here. See carefully and observe the seeds. Papaya, lemon, pineapple, apple, custard apple also. Okay, and this one is papaya. See, so many seeds we can find out. These are two different types of fruits. So what are the difference between the fruits? Their size and shape, color and taste are different. And some plants do not have fruits at all. Okay, but all the fruits which have the thing which we call the fruit, each and every fruit have seeds. Okay children, seeds are usually inside the fruit, it won't be outside the fruit. Some fruits have single seed and some fruits have so many seeds. So how we can differentiate the fruits means by seeing their seeds. Okay, now see this table. Yes, how we can differentiate? Number of seeds, their size, their color and their shape. Number of seeds, it may be one seed or many seeds. Size may be big or size may be small. Color red, green, yellow, orange. Shape long, round, mango shape. Okay? Yes children, now open your textbook page number 106. Plants are different. Okay, keep the finger. Plants are different from each other. They are different because their fruits, flowers, leaves and stem look different. We can sort plants based on their fruits, flowers, leaves and stem. Different kinds of fruits. Fruits are different in their color, size, shape and taste. Most of the fruits have seeds in them. Some of the fruits have one seed like mango and lychees. Some other fruits have more than one seed like apples and watermelons. See, so many fruits are there. Different kinds of fruits. Lychee, one seed. Watermelon, many seeds. Okay children? And also take your volume and complete it.